Is consciousness relative to activity of the body? Or consciousness relative to the thoughts? What is consciousness relative to? Say for example, if someone is sitting down and his mind is very active, although his body is not active, but his consciousness is very active. But someone may be very active, but his mind is. So now tell me, who is more conscious? So the consciousness is not relative to the body. What is the main objective of consciousness? The consciousness, immediate objective is to desire. And by fulfilling desire, consciousness experiences joy. Desire, consciousness, desire. Now, when someone is very conscious and his mind is going, he is desiring so many things, and those desires are being fulfilled, how does it feel? So, it doesn't matter how actively involved one is. That is not the criteria, because that is the absolute platform. And in the absolute platform, everything is absolute. And absolute means no relativity. No relative. Now, absolute means, relative means comparative, superlative. Better, best. You comparing to others. In relation to a blade of grass, a cow is more elevated. Right? It is better to be a cow than a grass. Right? It is a relative consideration. In relation to the grass, cow is better. But in the absolute platform, there is no such relativity. Everything is absolute. Why everything is absolute? Because everything is in relation to Krishna. And since Krishna is absolute, everything is absolute. Since everyone is serving Krishna, everyone's service is absolute. Since everyone is thinking of Krishna, everyone's thinking is absolute. There is no such comparative